For a lot of people, they think mining is just, oh, you're a miner underground. They don't realize all the different types of jobs we do have. As a heavy equipment apprentice here, my day can vary pretty greatly. Anything from preventative maintenance to like major jobs, pulling engines, transmissions, replacing them, wheel ends, differentials. There's always something different.
Millwrighting can go from anywhere from pulp and paper to mining to new construction, rebuilding, tear downs, preventative maintenance checks, routine maintenance every day, making sure the safe operation of our equipment is there and the safety of our workers, and optimizing our efficiency of operations.
As an underground electrician, you're working with a lot of bigger cabling, different high voltage stuff like that, different testing equipment. You would not see it in the normal everyday lifestyle sort of thing.
We're working with electricians, millwrights, and environmental people doing analytical stuff, so you get to see the whole picture. It's a never boring day here, that's for sure.
Being a mechanic or a welder or a millwright or an electrician, a lot of people seem to think that, oh, that's a man's job. More and more women are seeing that, like, hey, yeah, this could be for me. Like, there are high-paying job opportunities out there, and maybe this is something I'd be interested in.
It's a great atmosphere, great people. It's just a great team to be a part of.
Everybody's working as a team and everybody helps each other out.
Well, definitely my favorite part is the people that I work with. They all want to see you succeed as an apprentice. They don't have an issue dropping what they're doing and, giving you some input or showing you how to do something properly. It makes me want to, get up in the morning and go to work.
Work schedule for me is a great home-life balance. It's given me great opportunities to provide for my family and my kids.
I also like that I have the time to go out after work and do things like go snowmobiling, dirt biking, fishing, whatever the season is. There's always something to do.
It's a great industry to get into.
It's a great living. It's a rewarding career. It's lucrative. I would say definitely take a trade. My education from Confederation College, from trade school there, was imperative to me getting a millwright ticket. Without it, I wouldn't be where I am today.